ladies and gentlemen. Hey, this is Rooster. We're coming back live at you with at a remote location. Today we're going to do a review on the Surefire flashlight. It is the G2 model. First thing I just wanted to say, well, let me get a little swig of my mellow yellow. It's a little known fact, maybe some of you out there know, but there was a movie called The Terminator, and Arnold Schwarzenegger had a 45 with a nice laser on it. Well, the individual that designed that laser later made a company called Surefire. So, a little bit of movie trivia there for you and your friends to pass around. But anyways, what we got here is the G2 Surefire. It has 65 lumens. It is made of a corrosive, I gotta check my, corrosive proof body. It's nitroleum, I believe, the body. Run time is 1 hour. And it has the tactical push button. That's what I call it. So it doesn't have batteries in it right now. I bought some Surefire batteries from Walmart of all places. So let's open them up. See what this baby looks like. You know, always have the problems with the batteries or anything opening. It'll be a video of me just opening batteries. Alright, we got these open. So we'll take this off. They are the 123As. They replaced the CR 123. So what you do is screw it all the way down, and it is on all the time. See, I don't want to blind everyone. Then you ease it back a little bit, and that's when you can use it as a push. So momentary on and off. So nice little fit in the hand, as you can see, and momentary on and off. Then there's also another little feature as you're taking it out, screwing it all the way off. It comes on. See? So when you're almost out, gonna take the batteries out, it has a little momentary there. So we won't blind the camera anymore. So nice little flashlight. I actually traded this to a guy I know. His name's Joel. Joel, shout out to you, buddy. Thanks for the trade. But you can get these on Amazon, Surefire, any of the websites out there. I think they run around $51, something like $49, right around the $50 mark. Nice little flashlight, durable, you know. Very, and Surefire, you know, that name speaks for itself. So, anyways, guys, I'm real happy with it. Hope you liked the review on it. Alright, as always, it's the Rooster. Have a good one.